Dear students, today we are going to study about distance and displacement. Both these quantities are used to describe the overall motion of an object and to locate its final position with reference to its initial position at a given time. The simplest type of motion is the motion along a straight line. We can consider an example. These vehicles are moving along a straight road, or we can consider them as objects moving along a straight line. To describe the motion and to locate the position of an object, we use distance and displacement. In common language, both these quantities are used for the same sense. But in physics, there are some differences between the two. The first difference is, distance is the total path length covered by a moving object. Displacement is the shortest distance measured from the initial position to the final position. We can understand this with the help of a simple example. In this picture, you can see a house, a shop and a school. The school is 100 meter and the shop is 60 meter east of the house. Suppose a boy is going to the school from the house. He forgot to take his book, so wanted to buy a new one. He goes back through the same way through which he came to the school to reach the shop. Now he is at the shop. We can mark the position of that boy as A, B and C. Here we consider the point A as the reference point. He starts from his house and the position of his house is represented through A. B is the position when he was at the school and C is the position when he is in the shop. So the boy starts from A, moves through B and reaches C. His initial position is at A and final position is at C. So we can calculate the distance and displacement of that boy from this example. Distance is the total path length covered by a moving object. In this example, that boy starts from point A, moves through B and reaches C. So, the total length of the path covered by him is AB plus BC, where AB is the distance between the house and the school, BC is the distance between the school and the shop. That is equivalent to 100 plus 40, 140 meter. That is the distance covered by that boy, or the total path length covered by the boy. The shortest distance measured from the initial to the final position of an object is known as the displacement. In this example, initial position is A, that is the house, and the final position is C, that is the shop. The length AC is 60 meter. So, in this condition, the displacement of that object is 60 meter. That 60 meter is the shortest distance between the initial and the final points. Next, the second difference between distance and displacement. Distance is a scalar quantity. Displacement is a vector quantity. Scalar quantities are physical quantities which have magnitude only. Or to express a scalar quantity, only magnitude is required. Direction is not required. Mass, length, time, temperature are some examples of scalar quantities. Vector quantities are physical quantities which have magnitude and direction. Or to express a vector quantity, magnitude and direction both are required. Displacement, velocity, force, acceleration, etc. are some examples of vector quantity.